Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm Lisa, and today I want to bring a few new Doonies that I got recently and also my bag of the day. But before I get into that, I would like to welcome back all my new subscribers. And if you are new to this channel and you're interested in handbag videos, you can hit the subscribe button. And also, if you like to be notified when I do another video, you can hit the like button. Not the like button, but the bell button next to the subscribe button. So let's get into this video. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and I had some time, so I said, you know what, this is a good time to share my new pieces. And this bag that I'm getting ready to show you, my bag of the day, is a bag that I have never shown anyone. I got this particular bag with another bag, and I wind up sending one of those bags back, so I never did upload that video. So today, which this will be a little bit different than what I have showed you before, but when I saw this bag, I had to have it. It looked big enough and I just fell in love with it. And it is the Dooney backpack. And you know what? I don't even remember the name of her. And she is an elephant and I love her. I wore her last night during a family movie night, and I figured this will be the perfect time to carry her. She carries a lot, and I'm not a backpack person, but this particular bag caught my eye, and let me see what if it gives me something. Oh my god, guys, I know somebody out there knows what the name of this bag is. Yes, so she is filled quite heavy, and I do carry her on my back. Let me see. I do carry her on my back from time to time. The only thing about her is this part here. This is the string part, and it's sometimes hard to get in and out of when I'm carrying her. It's awesome when you buckle it up and you wear it on your back, you know, but even though it's harder to get into her, it's okay because I have decided to limit where I carry her. Instead of grocery shopping or running errands, I most likely won't carry her, and I probably will come out of her tomorrow if I do wind up going somewhere. In this particular pocket I use for my lipsticks and lip glosses. It's not big enough to carry my cell phone. So that's another thing. Doesn't have a back pocket, and I could put my cell phone in here in the slip pocket standing up. So that's what's good about her. I probably should be using the big pocket here, the big pocket for the cell phone, but it's so much easier to carry these essential items that I can just grab when I need to. So that is my bag of the day. And she's such a beauty. I love her. All right, so let's get into what I wanted to do this video for. It is about a bag that I purchased the other day, and I did a video. I think it was my last video, and it was on this Gretta Satchel, this Gretta market tote here. And I had an item coming to match her. The reason I bought this accessory was it was inspired by this market tote, and it is the Dooney Zip wallet. It has 8 slots, on each side. It has this opening here, which is nice, and this opening right here, and then the opening right here, and then it also has a zipper to keep your coinage. The draw to me was not the wristlet, because sometimes the wristlet is a little cumbersome when you are going in and out of the store, trying to hold on to it, and grabbing items and things like that. So what what got me to buy this bird was this here. This is crossbody strap, and it comes off. It's adjustable as well. I don't even have it on its longer. It's a little raveled here. Okay, so I don't even have it on the longest. That's the shortest. And then I have a couple more holes here. Do I have a couple? No. No, I changed it. Okay, this is on the lowest hole. Yeah, so this is in caramel, and I love this accessory. I probably will take this wristlet off and put her inside her, and from time to time, if I'm carrying a tote, I will carry this strap with her. When I'm just carrying a regular purse, I might not use her as much. But if I'm carrying a tote bag that's big and I don't want to take it into the store and try to, put it in the cart and try to keep up with my bag, I will use my wallet instead and my crossbody. So that's why I bought her to go. And I'm not a Dooney accessory girl. I do like some of their accessories. So when I do purchase something, I really like it, especially if it's their wallets. Because I can wear the same wallet. It doesn't have to match my purse. But I think I'm kind of liking this idea here. Okay, let me see. Does she match this one? Not as much. No. Okay. Okay, my second item I want to show you guys is a bag that I have been wanting and actually have had. I have had the olive. I've had the black with the Sierra trim. Both bags were given to a relative because she loves this bag as well. And so I gave it to her because I always wanted the black. And I also have her in the red as well. And the red is really bright. It's really a nice summer spring color. So this is the large pocket satchel, the nylon. Her adjustable strap is within the bag. It has a nice red lining, just like the Flynn with the black. As you can see, the black is definitely stunning with that red lining. So that's her. She has 3 feet. Well, 3 pieces of leather with the feet. This bag is a workhorse. Definitely a workhorse bag. I love this casual bag. So those are my items today. I am going to do a couple mod shots for you guys so you can see how they look. All right. Okay, here is the backpack. I swear it's usually easier to get on. show you how the crossbody looks. So if you're like carrying the tote as well, with your bigger items in it, and you carry your wallet, yeah, last but not least, she really goes with my outfit here. I usually carry her shoulder strap. So yes. Okay guys, that concludes my video for today. I am expecting something in the mail and hopefully it comes today, and I might do another video of a unicorn bag that I'm getting from Poshmark. Alright guys, so thank you. Have a great weekend, and until the next time, bye.